So the Lumocolor whiteboard marker, the dry erase marker, it's for whiteboards, it's for glass, it's for signboards, and I really like this one. It's got a really good hard tip, and it's also got, if you can see, it's got the sharp edge. So that means that you can do, thick letters like that, okay? Or you can just do it very, very thin. So if I write the word blue here, you can see it comes out very, very nicely. So it's got a good strong lid that is easy to put on, but it stays on. That's really, really important. Now with these Lumocolor whiteboard markers, you can use them on paper, but they are not dry erase. That means that they won't be erased at all. But once you do it on a whiteboard on the correct surface, then you can wipe it off. I'm just using a tissue here. You can use a whiteboard eraser if you want.